Hello, I'm Bobby, and I want to thank you for your interest in quality power products in our QPP Belt product group. Over the next couple of minutes, I'm going to tell you a little bit about QPP Belts and explain why they are better than any other agricultural belt out there. Let's start with the belt cross sections. You'll notice that the transmission cords in the competitor's belt are loosely wound. The QPP Belt has a very tightly wound cord line which allows for more cords, that is, strength, to be added in the same amount of cross-section area as the competitor's belt. You'll also notice fiber in the main body of the belt along with molded uniform cogs. Take the two rubber squares, and if you look at their edges, you can clearly see that one is neoprene rubber and one has fiber loading. Bend the rubber square with no fiber loading and it will easily bend. Turn it 90 degrees and repeat. It will easily bend. Bend the fiber-loaded rubber square, turn it 90 degrees, and bend it in that direction. You'll notice that it bends freely like the neoprene rubber square in one direction, but is extremely rigid in the other direction. That is because this is a highly engineered rubber compound built to ASAE specification S211.5, specifically for agricultural applications. Neoprene rubber is satisfactory and is very commonly used for industrial belts A, B, and C and manufactured to RMA standards. Select QPP belts are manufactured with this highly engineered compound and is organized in a direction so that the belt is flexible over the sheave but is extremely rigid across its back. The reason for this is that when a belt is highly loaded, the belt collapses in the center. When the belt collapses, the cords on the outer edge of the belt are required to carry more load than they are capable of, and that is what makes the belt break. Regarding the power transmission cords, you have a yellow strand of Kevlar manufactured by DuPont. It's a trademark, and they are the only manufacturer in the world of Kevlar. Kevlar is 5 times stronger than steel by weight and tensile strength. It is also extremely heat resistant and commonly used for fireproof clothing and bulletproof vests. Now, take a lighter and try to burn the Kevlar. It'll not burn because it is extremely heat resistant. This is the fiber we use in the fiber-loaded neoprene black rubber square that will not bend in one direction. The same fiber is an excellent material for the cords as well because of its tensile strength already mentioned. However, you'll notice that when you pull the yellow Kevlar strand through your fingers that it is inherently slippery. Feel the black fiber strand. It is the same Kevlar as the yellow strand, but it has gone through an engineering process to remove the light oil and any other chemicals. It is wound tighter and a black tacky coating is applied. This ensures that the power transmission cords will adhere with the other materials in the belt, that the cord line will stay even, and that all cords transmit the load equally. The key features and benefits that make QPP belts better than the competition are: first, our belts are manufactured to ASAE specifications instead of RMA specifications, which means our belts are manufactured specifically for agricultural applications. The addition of highly engineered Kevlar fiber loaded neoprene rubber provides transverse rigidity and flexibility. Tightly wound transmission cords are prepared using the proper time, temperature, and tension that provides a uniform load that is carried throughout the belt. The very tightly wound cord line allows for more cords, that is strength, to be added in the cross-section of the belt. And finally, chemically treated and coated Kevlar power transmission cords offer increased tensile strength and adhere to the other materials in the belt. For more information, give us a call toll-free at 888-333-3210 or visit our website at www.q-power.com. Thanks for your time. We hope to hear from you soon. And remember, quality always comes through.